Today I am going to explain APM altitude hold mode. So I am using APM 2.8 with FlySky transmitter FST6 and the receiver. So I'm using F450 frame. So first we need to understand what altitude hold mode is. APM has multiple sensors. So one of the sensor is barometer. These sensors are inbuilt. So by barometer, APM calculates its altitude. When we fly this drone, it can go in 3 axes. It can go right, left, forward, backward, or up, down. So when we talk about altitude hold mode, it holds its vertical position. So the up down mode is hold whatever you set on the transmitter. So most of the people mix it with the position hold mode. So position hold mode is something different. In altitude hold mode, it only guarantee one axis. Your quadcopter can still go right, left, forward, backward by holding the altitude. So it will hold only one axis, not the other 2 or 3 axes. So in the position hold mode, we hold all 3 axes and it uses GPS for that. Okay, so let's start. First we need to set this altitude hold mode in the mission planner. For that we need to connect our APM with the USB so that we can set its so it's connected now. You can see. Let's open the mission planner. So this is my mission planner. So meanwhile mission planner is starting. Let's start our transmitter as well. So my sticks are not down. Okay, so as you can see, it is started. APM is on, receiver is on, and mission planner also started. Let's connect. So we need to select the connect port. So it is showing me on COM3 Arduino Mega. That is my APM. So it is established the connection, holding the parameter. So it is loading all the parameter and configuration of the APM. So here you can see it is showing me the altitude value in meter. So it is using barometer for that. So after connecting, you need to go in setup. So you have plan, you have data, you have setup. Go to setup, then go to mandatory hardware. In the hardware you will have this flight modes option. Here you go. So you will get this screen. There are multiple flight modes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for that, now we need to connect our receiver as well. Receiver is connected. So in the transmitter I am using this channel. This is my 6th channel for the flight mode setting. These are my 3 and 4, and this is 1 and 2. So this is my 5th channel. So this is 5th channel. So I want when I set this button, this channel to max, there should be my. So here you can see I can set multiple modes. So from here you can set, this is the altitude mode. Select it in the flight mode 1 where your channel, 5th channel, is at max, and click on save modes and we are complete. Okay, so now let's test if it works with the. So how this flight modes work? So it works on the channel 5th channel range. So it is showing that your first channel is 0 to 1230, then 1231 to 1360. So we have these values coming from the channel signal, and it is bifurcated these six modes in the channel values. So there are intervals. This is first interval where I have set it to the altitude hold mode. So let's me change it. So here you can see now it is showing me land mode because my channel is set to min. Now go to data. So this is my data option. So in here you can see land mode. Okay, so when I set this to max, it will change it to altitude hold mode. So this is altitude hold mode. So it is set to the altitude hold mode. Now how this altitude hold mode works, it will work like after arming the quadcopter, you need to set it to 50%. So when you after arming, when you pull this throttle, so up to 50% your quadcopter will not take off. So after this 50% it will take off, and you can pull this for the altitude so that it will fly upwards. And when you want to hold the altitude, you need to set this throttle stick in the around 50%. So wherever quadcopter will be, it will hold its position, it will hold its altitude. It will not come downward, it will not go upward, but it can go right, left, forward or backward, that you can control from here, but it will guarantee that it is holding its altitude. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel if not done yet.